Welcome to Crypto Updates. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into a rising star in the meme coin space, and that is Bonk. You've probably heard whispers in the crypto community comparing Bonk to Dogecoin, and some are even calling it the Dogecoin of Solana. But what exactly is Bonk? Why is it gaining traction so quickly? And does it have the potential to follow Dogecoin's legendary path? Let's break it all down. Bonk is a meme-based cryptocurrency that launched on the Solana blockchain. It stands out because it was created by the community for the community. It's the first dog-themed meme coin on Solana, and it was born in response to growing dissatisfaction with the dominance of VC-controlled projects. What really helped Bonk explode in popularity early on was its massive airdrop. It was distributed to Solana users, artists and developers, creating a broad base of holders right from the start. But Bonk isn't just a meme, it also comes with deflationary tokenomics, regular token burns, and partnerships with NFT and DeFi projects. Building on Solana, that gives it a mix of viral appeal and functional use that many other meme coins simply don't have. The inspiration behind Bonk is easy to trace. It clearly follows in the footsteps of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, both of which started as internet jokes and ended up with massive market caps and loyal communities. Dogecoin became famous after endorsements from celebrities like Elon Musk, and its story has shown the world that meme coins, with enough attention and community energy, can achieve real value. Bonk's creators wanted to capture that same energy, but with a twist. They chose to launch it on Solana to benefit from faster transactions and lower fees, making it more suitable for real-world micro-uses like tipping, gaming, and NFT integrations. That alone gives Bonk a strong advantage over earlier meme coins that relied on slower, more expensive chains. So can Bonk truly become the next Dogecoin? The potential is definitely there. Just like Dogecoin, Bonk thrives on its community. It has passionate supporters across Twitter, Telegram, and Reddit who are constantly pushing the token into the spotlight. But unlike Dogecoin, Bonk is also tapping into the growing Solana ecosystem, which is known for its speed, scalability, and rising DeFi adoption that could help Bonk find real utility, not just hype. Already, we're seeing Bonk used in NFT projects, decentralized apps, and as a tipping currency. If this kind of momentum continues, Bonk could do what many meme coins fail to do: stick around and stay relevant. Now let's talk price predictions. What could Bonk be worth in the future? Of course, none of this is financial advice, just speculative projections based on current trends and market behavior. By 2025, assuming continued development and increased listings on major exchanges, Bonk could realistically hit between $0.00005 and $0.0001. If meme coins remain popular and Bonk keeps its position within Solana's top ecosystem projects by 2027, a price range of $0.0002 to $0.0005 is within reach. Looking even further, by 2030, in a full-blown bull market and with significant adoption, Bonk could touch $0.001. That's assuming it cements itself as a go-to meme coin and sees sustained demand. Remember, meme coins are heavily sentiment-driven, so community activity, social media buzz, and influencer interest play a huge role in their growth. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research and invest responsibly. That's all for today's deep dive into Bonk. Could this be the next Dogecoin? It has the meme appeal, the community power, and the tech backing of Solana, so the ingredients are definitely there. But as always in crypto, only time will tell. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Crypto Updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you bullish on Bonk, or do you think it's just another meme? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.